Look at me for a second. You're tired in a way sleep doesn't fix. This isn't laziness. You sit down to study and your mind goes blank. By the end of the day, you feel completely drained. Some mornings you wake up believing today will be different. Then the weight quietly returns. You don't recognize yourself anymore. Everyone else seems to be moving forward, and you feel stuck. Nothing makes sense right now. The pressure keeps stacking. Part of you is asking for help, so listen carefully. Here's the truth no one explains. Feeling lost doesn't mean you chose wrong. Your brain is overloaded. Too many choices create paralysis. Expectations can crush motivation. Your mind is juggling grades, screens, and opinions. No system works under constant pressure, so your brain shuts down to protect itself. That numb scrolling is escape, not enjoyment. The moment you stop fighting yourself, things slow down, and clarity starts to return. Your day starts with anxiety before you even move. Your phone becomes the easiest distraction. The weight hits immediately. It feels like the day is already lost. Now imagine starting without that noise. No rushing, no comparing. Just one small task, one clear direction. Your afternoon focus fades. Your energy drops. Timers create boundaries. Even brief movement resets attention. Momentum comes back. Evenings are when doubt gets loud. Everything feels heavier. So instead of punishment, you choose kindness. You slow down. You write, not to judge, but to notice. Progress matters. One check mark is enough. It still counts. Getting unstuck isn't dramatic. It's gradual. One intentional step is enough. You don't need more. You don't need perfection. You need presence. Be patient with yourself. You're learning. You're not behind. You're becoming.